If you're involved in any way with the stock market, or if you want to make money from the stock market, you need to see this short but shocking video. I'm going to reveal a system that you've never seen before for generating income from the market. This is a system that's only known and used by the top 5% of traders. And that's a liberal estimate just to be safe. In reality, it's probably more like the top 1%. The bottom line is, if you're not using this system, you're trading with a huge disadvantage. Again, this is for anyone who's investing or trading in the stock market. If you own stocks or ETFs, this is for you. And if you trade options or do any other type of advanced trading, this is definitely for you. Also, if you're someone who wants to get involved in the market, this is for you too. This is for anyone who wants to earn a consistent income from the market and literally multiply your money by making winning trades again and again. Let's start with a quick reality check, because this is something that all investors need to be reminded of. The market doesn't give a rat's about you or your money. In case you're not familiar with that colloquial expression, it means the market doesn't care about you. Think about it for a moment. The market doesn't apologize for taking your money from you. It doesn't feel bad when you're caught off guard by a surprise move. In fact, the market doesn't have any feelings at all. The market is not a person, and it doesn't care one little bit about the money you've gained or lost. I want you to be honest with yourself and answer this question. Do you ever get mad at yourself or at the market when you lose money? I think most of us have. I know I certainly have. We let emotion get involved with our trading and investments. We know we're not supposed to, but it happens. We're human, right? Maybe you've even said something like, "The market took my money and I'm going to get it back." The market is out to get me. The market just won't cooperate with me. The market is being stupid. The market just won't give me a break. Maybe you've complained about the market being rigged, and you get upset when the market makers do something that you didn't expect. And perhaps worst of all, many traders get anxious and depressed about the market, and even lose sleep over it. But the market is like the weather. They're both powerful natural forces, right? But you would never get mad at yourself or at the sky just because it started raining, would you? Now, you might not be happy about it, but you're not actually going to blame yourself or the sky. It's just the weather, and those things happen. The top 5% of all traders look at the market just like the weather. They know it's not a person. They know it doesn't have feelings, but they do respect its power. Just like a tornado or a hurricane, the market can be volatile at times, but it also has calm, sunny days too. These are totally natural occurrences in the cycle of any natural environment. When you discover how to view the market like a weather report, you'll trade with confidence and without worry or fear. Think about a weather report. It tells you what the next few days are going to be like, maybe even the next few weeks. Science and technology have allowed us to predict the weather with a fair amount of accuracy. Likewise, we are now able to predict the stock market with a fair amount of accuracy. Let me tell you the true story of my friend. Way back in 1987, as a young man, he decided to start trading in the stock market. In his very first week of trading, he made $1,500. As you can imagine, he and his wife were pretty thrilled, especially since he was making less than $300 a week at his day job. Unfortunately, the thrill wore off pretty quickly, as it turned out that that first week was kind of a fluke. In fact, over the course of the next year and a half, he ended up losing all the money in his trading account. And yes, for those of you that were around back then, that's the front page of the New York Times from October 20th, 1987. Fortunately, Dave's not a quitter, and he spent the next 5 years studying the markets day and night while saving up some money so that he could try again. He learned all about channels and flags, head and shoulder patterns, indicators such as the MACD, stochastics, Bollinger Bands, and a whole bunch of other stuff until his mind was bulging with so much information that it hurt. Maybe you can relate to that feeling. So he thought he was prepared to do battle and win in the market, right? Well, you want to take a wild guess at what happened next? The good news is, this time he didn't lose all his money. The bad news is, he didn't make anything either. After another year and a half of trading, he managed to break even. Maybe you can relate to that. It feels like a big waste of time, doesn't it? Fortunately for us, Dave still didn't quit. He did go on to have a successful career in another field, but he never could shake the thought that it was possible to make money in the stock market. He knew that the top 1% of traders were making a ton of money and that they knew something that no one else knew about. So he kept on studying the market and searching for the hidden secret that the top 1% of traders wanted to keep in the dark. Believe it or not, it took him another 15 years to finally find the answer that he was looking for. So in case you weren't adding up the numbers, he spent over 20 years studying the market before he discovered this natural phenomenon and how to take advantage of it. This phenomenon happens on a regular basis and determines with near perfect accuracy whether the market's going to start a new downtrend or a new uptrend. Reading this phenomenon is just like reading a weather report, and he's now been using it for many years with incredible accuracy. It shows you when to go long and when to go short. I'm going to let Dave go ahead and share some of his daily results with you, and obviously these are his personal results and should not be interpreted as any kind of guarantee or typical results. All right, go ahead, Dave.
All of these are from my real account. These are not made up, doctored in any way. I certify that they are actual trades that I've made and that these are real screenshots from my personal real trading account using real money. You can see that some of the days I've had were pretty spectacular. They're very, very good trades. Anything over $5,000 a day I consider to be a very good day. This particular day had a profit of $84.75 as I went through it. This day had a 49.30 day profit with $6,000 still open. This day had a $7,578 profit. This day made a $33 profit. This day had a $3,076 profit. This day had a $1,135 profit. This day had a $2,055 profit. This day had a $6,415 profit. Here's a $2,310 day profit. Here's a $1,345 day profit. Here's a $5,935 day profit. Here's a $9,080 profit. Here's a $1,385 profit. Here's a $3,927 day profit. Here's a $2,475 day profit. And here's an $825 day profit, which, hey, it beats working for a living. So that's it.
Yeah, I'd say that pretty well beats working for a living. Now, we can't guarantee that you'll make any specific amount of money, but what we do 100% guarantee is that you'll be getting the exact same system and strategies that Dave uses in his own trading account to make a consistent income, just like the screenshots that he just showed you. So let's take a closer look at what you're getting in this package today. The winning trade system includes 16 video training modules recorded by Dave himself. These are high-quality screen capture videos, so you can basically look over his shoulder and see exactly what he's doing and how he uses this system. The phenomenon revealed in this course and the precise strategies are considered by most traders to be advanced strategies because only the top 5% of all traders understand and use them to consistently make trading profits. But more importantly, we have simplified these advanced strategies and explained them in a way that any level of trader can immediately put them to use. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this is for anyone who is involved in the market currently or who wants to be. This is not information that you can find for free on the internet or even buy anywhere else that we're aware of. In this step-by-step video training program, you'll discover how to identify the phenomenon, what it is, and how to harness the power that it holds in any kind of market. What pattern to look for along with the phenomenon that gives you a clear signal to go long or short, and why it's dangerous to act before you get this signal. Why 99% of all retail traders lose money or only make a small amount of money using options, stocks, and futures. We'll show you how to trade like the professional 1% of traders that make a killing in the market. You'll discover what is the best trading vehicle for most traders. You'll learn what the Greeks are and how each one works and which ones you need to pay attention to and when. You'll see why, of all the Greeks, one of them and it's not the one most option traders think, is the most powerful Greek of all, and how paying attention to it can make you huge profits. We actually show you in real time how this one Greek can make you a killing. You'll get proven, practical techniques to use in any kind of market to make real and substantial profits. We're including real case studies here. You'll discover how to know ahead of time that the market is likely to have a big drop, what to buy, and when to get out. Likewise, how to know when a market has stopped declining and is ready to advance strongly. Again, what to buy and when to get out. You'll see why buying this at the bottom of a large decline in prices is the worst thing you can do. We'll show you why and what options to buy instead for massive profits as the market starts to rally. You'll see how to leverage options so you can profit just as much as actually shorting or going long the stock, but at 1/10 the investment. And you'll see exactly what to buy and when. Also, the best way to profit when you know prices are going up, and it's not buying calls. You'll discover the best way to profit when prices are about to enter a new bear market. And again, it's not complicated. You'll see why the simplest trades are sometimes the best trades. And once again, we're going to show you specific examples. And you're going to discover the only thing that you really need to know to make money in the market. And it has nothing to do with technical analysis, indicators, or whether the market is moving up or down. You'll see which option to choose, how and why when going long or short the market. And you'll find a new way to trade long and short ETFs that recurs with such frequency that you could trade this one phenomenon alone and make a killing with it. And much, much more. And in case you're wondering how these videos are going to be delivered to you, I've got good news. You can start watching the videos just minutes from now. We know you don't want to wait to get them in the mail, so we've made the entire course instantly available directly to your computer. You can watch the videos on any computer. They're compatible with both Windows PCs and Macs. By the way, these videos are high quality and full screen size, so you can see exactly how to trade step by step. When you join today, we're also going to throw in some incredible fast action bonuses. Next, you're getting the Inside Days strategy video and ebook. Dave created this mini course to teach a very powerful indicator in the market, which can show you how to set yourself up for explosive profits. This strategy can be used to rake in the profits time and time again. That's a $47 value, yours for free when you join today. And lastly, we're going to throw in the extreme trading video. The winning trade system isn't a day trading course. However, the principles can be applied to a certain type of day trading, and Dave uses this powerful strategy to grab profits on demand. This 50-minute video will show you exactly how to do it. So here's a bold promise. As I've explained, the winning trade system reveals a very important phenomenon. If you do not know what this phenomenon is, you'll probably always lose in the market, and it doesn't matter how much experience you have. Without this knowledge, you will not be a professional top 5% trader, guaranteed. I told you it was a bold promise, and it's true. But with this knowledge, you have the same opportunity that professional traders have, and that'll give you an advantage that less than 5% of all traders possess. You'll have the highest level of trading knowledge available and finally be in the winning 5%. This course will give you every aspect of predicting the market with amazing accuracy and everything you need to finally succeed in timing and market direction. Here's another bold promise. Try it, and if you don't agree that this powerful information can put you in the top 5% of traders, then you can ask for a refund. It's that simple, and the reason that we can make that kind of guarantee is because it really is that powerful. So you're probably wondering, how can I gain access to the winning trade system today? If this were a live seminar that you were attending in person, the cost would probably be in the range of $5,000. Anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 and even more than that is pretty much the normal range for seminars that teach high-level trading strategies. And even then, we're not aware of any seminars where you can learn the winning trade system. So right there, you can clearly see that the value of this course is easily in the thousands of dollars. I've decided to do something crazy here and make the course affordable, so you can grab it today and start using this system for yourself.